Well, Tony, having arrived as goalkeeping coach now, how are you settled in to your first international camp?
I think I've slotted right in. Obviously I know Ash, I know Tails, know Chris, know Kit, and obviously when Marge went, I was hoping and praying that he'd give us a call, which he did. I just said to him, yeah, I'm right on board. He's asking if I was interested, and I said, yeah, definitely. So, no, proud Welshman.
For those that don't know, obviously you're goalkeeping coach at Swansea City as well, so doubling up those duties is going to be a nice challenge for you, I would imagine.
I had to go and speak to Hugh and obviously Francesco, and they were happy for me to come along. Obviously it's good for the club, gaining an experience working with the top players like so, and hopefully I can learn something from here and take back there, which will help them.
And we're now all in this first international camp ahead of the start of the World Cup campaign. First game at home against Moldova. How important is it for us to try and get off to a winning start?
Oh, it's massive. I mean, if you look at the first 4 fixtures, 3 are at home, got Austria away. So it's a great opportunity to get points on the board and all that. That'd be massively important, that. And we kick off the first game with a home win. In the summer I was watching every game, and to be involved now, it's a massive, massive honour to try and, like I say, put my influence with the keepers here and obviously the back four and things like that, and try and help them in every way.